Hi all, I'm here with another very important aspects of design and it is all about image. Image adds emotion to your campaign or your ads or your project. So it is very necessary how to choose image. So an image, whenever you talk about image, so they just talk about photograph, but image does not mean just photograph, and it could be anything. So like this is the photograph of a real cat, this is the realistic illustration what we call it. It means it's not photograph, but the artist had like a drawn like a painting, but it looks real. Another could be line drawing, just about the line drawing, or is like a cartoon or character or just like a iconish. uh, so image means it could be anything, because as we know, graphic design is all about the visual communication, and so visual could be anything. So first thing, be clear, image does not mean just a photograph, it could be anything. So now how to choose that, because you have so many options. So my answer always is, as per the message. So just take an example, the same cat here, just I'll move this so that here, is talk about the real exaggerated expressive cat, or even here. But look at here they have like a cartoonish or a drawing, or here they have illustration, what we call, they have drawn and this. So same cat, but at the different ad shown is differently. Why? Because it's all about what is your story. So there is a few criteria you must keep in mind. First is, just let me keep it here so that you can see it clearly. First is brand personality. What kind of brand you are? If you have a very serious brand, or if you are a very funny brand, or if you have a like a very emotional brand. So all you have to look at, what is the brand personality you are trying to portray, or size of the brand. Why size of brand matters? Say if you are a big brand, you have you know so many people to cater. So your image or all those things plays a very big role, because there are many more people to judge you. So size of brand is also important, and budget. Yes, say if you have only, say, for image you have only, say, 5,000 rupees, or 10,000 rupees, but somebody has a lakh or 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs. So then he will, or she will, kind of, he had more budget, so he can go for the shoot. He can hire a better photographer or better illustrator. So look at the budget. And if you have don't have much budget, so you can take a free images from free sites or a free illustration. So budget also matters, and time, how much time you have. Say sometimes you have to do ad or your project, say, within a day or two. So that time you cannot go for shooting or complicated illustration. And media, which media you are trying to portray, or which media your ad is going to appear. Is a newspaper media, then so in newspaper media, like, or a print media for that matter, or a hoarding, uh, uh, your ad will appear bigger. So it's better to better quality and image. Say in a digital, illustration, cartoon, and all this works, fine. But say imagine there is a 20 feet hoarding, and a small cartoon, it won't impact much. Though there, like this kind of image, or say this kind of image or this kind of image will, grab attention more. So also think about this thing, where my this ad or my project or my design is going to appear, so that it will help you to decide better. So it's not just a blanket rule, okay, I have to do this only, I have to do that only. But when you keep all these things in mind, it will really help, and it will make your design better. So there are so many aspects of a design, and I have prepared a digital design blueprint. That's the name of my course, where I teach everything about design. It's all about a complete design knowledge about photography, design principles, and so many other things. So, and before that, when why you should buy or why you should believe me, my name is Bhushan Kumar, and I have more than 30 years experience in India's top agency like Ogilvy, Lintas, Mudra, and now I'm the digital designing coach, where I teach people about digital design. And I have the hub called Design Thinking Headquarters, where there are lots of many courses. Um, Already 3 courses like about designing, Facebook ad designing, color therapy. So all you can learn every aspects of design. So hope to see you there, so that you can whatever you are learning or whatever you are listening, you can apply it. And because theory is nothing if you don't practice it, and practice comes with when you do it. Practice is an old saying, and it's a rightly said that that practice makes a man perfect, because only then you will know what are the nuances. And my favorite quote is that don't live life by default, but by design. So hope you like this video about image, and I'll come back with the another video about the another aspects of design.